On November 25, 1947, the Mirpur massacre occurred in Jammu and Kashmir, marking a dark chapter of communal violence during the partition of India and Pakistan. Mirpur, then a Hindu and Sikh majority area, was attacked by Pakistan-backed tribal invaders. Despite a valiant defense, the residents lacked sufficient weapons and resources. Thousands of innocent civilians were killed, while many women and children were taken captive. Tragically, several women chose suicide to protect their honor. Survivors faced either exile or deportation under horrific conditions. The suffering endured by Hindus and Sikhs of Mirpur remains indescribable even today. Born on November 25, 1982 in Chakda, West Bengal, Jhulan Goswami is one of Indian women cricket's greatest players. Trained at the MRF Academy, her talent was recognized at age 15, leading to her debut in the Indian women's cricket team during the ODI series against England in January 2002. Known as the world's second fastest bowler, Jhulan holds remarkable records, including being the highest wicket taker in women's ODI history with 333 international wickets and the only female bowler to deliver over 2,000 overs in international cricket. She has received numerous accolades, including the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year Award, the M.A. Chidambaram Trophy, the Arjuna Award in 2010, and the Padma Shri in 2012. Born on November 25, 1879 in Hyderabad, Sindh, now in Pakistan, Sadhu Vaswani was a revered social reformer and spiritual leader. His full name was Thanwar Das Leela Ram Vaswani. A freedom fighter, he initiated the Mira movement to empower women through education and established the Sadhu Vaswani mission in Pune. Deeply devoted to non-violence, he opposed the killing of living beings, considered all life, including plants, as sacred. An advocate of Indian culture and religious tolerance, he emphasized teaching religion to children. Sadhu Vaswani passed away on January 16, 1966, leaving behind a legacy of compassion and spiritual wisdom. On November 25, 1987, Major Ramaswamy Parameswaram of the Mahar Regiment made the ultimate sacrifice during Operation Pavan in Sri Lanka. Displaying exceptional courage and leadership, he led his troops to defeat a terrorist attack despite heavy firing. Though critically injured, he secured his troops' safety before attaining martyrdom. For his extraordinary valor and dedication, he was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military honor. Major Parameswaran's life stands as a testament to the courage, duty, and patriotism of the Indian Army. On November 25, 1867, Swedish chemist Alfred Nobel patented dynamite, a groundbreaking invention that revolutionized construction, mining, and transportation by enabling the safe use of nitroglycerin. While dynamite increased efficiency in industrial projects, it also drew criticism for its military applications, leading to Nobel being labeled a merchant of death. This prompted him to dedicate his wealth to a trust, resulting in the establishment of the Nobel Prizes, awarded annually for exceptional contributions to humanity. Nobel's legacy reflects both his scientific innovation and commitment to peace. He passed away on December 10, 1896. The International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed annually on November 25 to raise awareness and promote societal change to eradicate violence against women. Recognized by the UN in 1999, the date honors the Mirabelle sisters, activists murdered in 1960 for opposing dictatorship. This day highlights the ongoing struggles of millions of women facing domestic violence, sexual harassment, workplace abuse, and dowry-related issues worldwide.